Meet Sara, aka the food influencer. Millions of followers, viral content, racing
How is
views.
my ورق عنب? Welcome to Sara's kitchen.
Here's the vlogger people always choose. Recipe after recipe, a sensational hit. Alas, when it comes to the baking bit.
Our Belgium chocolate cookies are almost done. Yes. Okay, guys, so this is... Ya Allah.
Something bound to go wrong. Either too sticky or baked too long.
I'm sorry.
Don't be sorry, Sara. Just a small change. Switch to the Hotpack baking range. Baking paper, cake mold, cupcake paper, muffin paper. We got everything to save your day.
This is Sara's special Belgium cookies.
Sticky is not an option anymore. Hotpack, we never let you down.